Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson-TVMG. Today, I'm coming to you with a super quick unboxing. So, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I am still going to be uploading videos on this channel, as well as my new K-pop channel. So, make sure you see me at either one. All right, you guys, so I am standing here pointed at my Keurig box, so you already know what I'm opening. So I had a Keurig machine, a black one, and it decided that it was not going to work. Now, it hasn't really worked since I got it, but it has been declining ever since. So I got another one, and I got to tell you, if you see the name of the color, I was hesitant because I really wanted the red one, but the only ones that my local Target had were silver, pink, and the evergreen. So I got evergreen because, you know, red and green, Christmas. Call me weird, but here it is. Sorry, ignore my junky area there. So there it is. It's the same exact one that I had. I had a K Mini. I don't have very much space. I don't have any space in my kitchen for it, so that's pretty much how that is. But it's gonna kind of take the place, obviously take the place of the black one. So I just wanted to kind of unbox it a little and kind of just see. Sorry, you guys, I'm not used to doing this with one hand. So I just wanted to see how it looked in person. So let's see. We got our thank you for choosing Keurig. There are other companies. It's customer service number. We got a I think this is, yeah, the quick start guide. Oh, there's coupons. Ooh. They don't expire until next year. Oh, the cleaning thing. Yeah, that's a good thing to have. But yeah, I'm more excited about that, even though I just bought some coffee. So we have the egg crate interior. So you guys, and yes, I am opening this on top of a Christmas bin. So you can see that it's red and green. Oh, God, this is so hard with one hand. All right. So I just wanted to see the color. Oh, it looks like it's the same color as the handle. It is. My house is going to look like Christmas. I wonder, are there any other things that I can get in this evergreen color? From like maybe KitchenAid or something. Ugh. So I mean, it is green. It's definitely green. But it looks good. It's better packed than my other one. So I think maybe my other one, and it's two different greens actually. So there's like a super dark green and then there's a lighter green on certain parts. So it's just on the handle and then this part down here and this back. So, but I'm pretty happy because I wasn't going to be able to have coffee and that was pissing me off. So, yeah, that's it. And they are on sale currently at Target. Check your Target.com because I can't really give you a price because I live in a certain area. Yours may be a little bit more. They may be a little bit less. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to bring to you guys. Again, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And then you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. But wish me luck that this one does not break. Because I will be very angry. But I got the 2-year warranty thing on it. So if it does break, I'm getting a new one. I didn't get it on the other one. So, but all right, guys. Until next time. Bye.